Our solar system is made up of the Sun, which is a massive ball of hot plasma at the center of the system, and 8 planets that orbit around it. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The planets orbit the Sun in elliptical paths, which means their distance from the Sun changes as they move around it. The inner planets, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are smaller and denser, while the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are much larger and primarily made up of gas. In addition to the planets, our solar system also includes numerous smaller objects, such as asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets like Pluto. Overall, our solar system is a fascinating and complex system that we are still learning about and exploring. Nuclear fusion is the process by which the Sun generates energy. In this process, the nuclei of atoms combine to form heavier elements, releasing a large amount of energy in the process. This energy is then radiated out from the Sun in the form of heat and light. The Sun is incredibly massive, with a diameter of approximately 1.4 million kilometers, which is about 109 times the diameter of Earth. It contains about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system, which means that all of the other planets, asteroids, and objects in the solar system make up just 0.14% of the total mass. The Sun's enormous mass and energy output have a significant impact on the other objects in the solar system, influencing their orbits and affecting their atmospheres and surfaces. The 8 planets in our solar system vary significantly in size, composition, and distance from the Sun. Here are some brief explanations. Mercury. It's the smallest planet in our solar system and is made up mostly of metal and rock. It's also the closest planet to the Sun. Venus. It's similar in size to Earth and is often called Earth's twin. However, its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide makes it the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth. Our home planet, Earth is the only planet known to support life. It has a unique atmosphere that supports a diverse array of organisms. Mars. Known as the Red Planet, Mars is smaller and colder than Earth, with a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide. It's home to the largest volcano and deepest canyon in the solar system. Jupiter. The largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter is mostly made of gas and is known for its Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has been raging for centuries. Saturn. The second largest planet, Saturn is also primarily made of gas and is famous for its rings, which are made up of ice and rock particles. Uranus. Uranus is an ice giant planet with a mostly hydrogen and helium atmosphere. It also has a strange tilt, with its axis of rotation tilted almost 98 degrees relative to its orbit. Neptune. Similar in size and composition to Uranus, Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun and has a very active climate with extreme wind speeds. Overall, the 8 planets in our solar system are incredibly diverse and fascinating in their own right. The first 4 planets in our solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are often referred to as the rocky or terrestrial planets because they have solid, rocky surfaces. Compared to the outer gas giant planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, the rocky planets are much smaller in size and density. They are primarily composed of rock and metal, with relatively thin atmospheres, and lack the massive gas envelopes that the outer planets have. These 4 planets also have many similarities in terms of their composition and structure. For example, they all have iron cores, rocky mantles, and thin crusts. However, they also have some important differences, such as their surface features and atmospheres. Overall, the rocky planets are fascinating worlds that scientists are still working to understand in more detail. The last 4 planets in our solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are known as the gas giants because they are much larger in size and primarily made up of gas. Compared to the terrestrial planets, the gas giants have much thicker atmospheres composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. They also have much larger masses, with Jupiter being the largest planet in our solar system by far. These planets also have unique features such as rings, moons, and massive storms. For example, Jupiter is home to the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has been raging for centuries, while Saturn is famous for its beautiful ring system. The gas giants are still not fully understood by scientists, and there is ongoing research to learn more about their composition, structure, and formation. Each planet in our solar system orbits the Sun in an elliptical path, meaning that their distance from the Sun changes as they move around it. The time it takes for each planet to complete one orbit around the Sun is also different, with the inner planets orbiting faster than the outer planets. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, have shorter orbital periods than the outer planets because they are closer to the Sun and have smaller orbits. For example, it takes Earth about 365 days, or 1 year, to complete one orbit around the Sun, while it takes Mercury only about 88 days to do the same. On the other hand, the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, have longer orbital periods because they are farther from the Sun and have larger orbits. For example, it takes Jupiter about 12 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun, while it takes Neptune about 165 Earth years to do the same. These different orbital periods and distances from the Sun also affect the temperature, atmosphere, and other features of each planet. Earth is a unique planet in our solar system, and the only one known to support life as we know it. One reason for this is because Earth has a protective atmosphere, which shields us from harmful radiation and provides the air we breathe. Our atmosphere is composed mostly of nitrogen and oxygen, with small amounts of other gases such as carbon dioxide and water vapor. In addition, Earth has a strong magnetic field that helps to protect us from harmful solar winds and radiation. This magnetic field is generated by the motion of molten iron in our planet's core. Another important factor that makes Earth habitable is the presence of liquid water. Water is essential for life as we know it, and Earth has an abundance of it in the form of oceans, lakes, and rivers. Overall, Earth's unique combination of a protective atmosphere, magnetic field, and abundance of liquid water make it a rare and special planet in our solar system. Earth has a natural satellite, the Moon, which is much smaller than Earth but still has a significant impact on our planet. The Moon's gravitational pull causes tides on Earth, which are the regular rise and fall of sea levels. This gravitational pull also causes a slight bulge in the Earth's shape, which in turn affects our planet's rotation. Over time, this has caused the length of our day to slowly increase. In addition, the Moon's presence has also had a significant impact on the Earth's geology and climate. For example, the Moon's gravity helps to stabilize Earth's axial tilt, which helps to regulate our planet's climate. Overall, while the Moon may be small compared to Earth, its gravitational pull and other effects have had a profound impact on our planet's history and development. Our solar system is a fascinating and complex system that is still being explored and studied by scientists all over the world. In this video, we have covered the basics of how our solar system works, including the Sun at the center, the 8 planets that orbit around it, and other features like the asteroid belt and the Kuiper belt. We've also discussed some of the unique features of Earth, such as its protective atmosphere, magnetic field, and abundance of liquid water that make it the only known planet in our solar system to support life. Overall, our solar system is a beautiful and intricate system that reminds us of just how vast and mysterious the universe really is. There is still so much to learn and discover about our own solar system, and it's exciting to think about the possibility of other systems like ours existing out there in the universe. Thanks for watching this video on how our solar system works. We hope you found it informative and interesting. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who may be interested in learning about our universe. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on space and science. If you have any questions or comments about the solar system, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. We love hearing from our viewer and will do our best to respond to as many comments as possible. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.